You're drowning in a sea of service calls, your calendar's a chaotic mess, and you're starting to think that maybe, just maybe, you should have stuck to that 9-to-5 cubicle life. But hold on, there's a lifeline. A digital savior that promises to turn your scheduling nightmare into a well-oiled machine. Housecall Pro. But does it really work its magic? Let's dive in. Imagine this, you're a plumber. You've just finished a grueling 12-hour shift, and the last thing you want to do is sift through a pile of voicemails and texts to schedule tomorrow's jobs. Wouldn't it be amazing if you could do it all from one place, and in a matter of minutes? That's the promise of Housecall Pro. But let's be real. Software can be a fickle beast. Promises the world, but often delivers a frustrating reality. So, is Housecall Pro worth the hype? We're about to find out. First things first, let's talk about setting up your account. It's pretty straightforward, but there are a few crucial steps you don't want to miss. You'll need to input your business information, service types, pricing, and of course, your technician's availability. It might seem like a lot, but trust me, it's worth taking the time to get it right. The better your information, the smoother your scheduling process will be. Once your account is set up, it's time to start adding customers. You can import contacts from your phone or manually add them one by one. The key here is to include as much detail as possible. Names, addresses, contact information, and a brief history of their service needs are essential. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, scheduling jobs. Housecall Pro offers a few ways to do this. You can manually input jobs, import them from other systems, or let customers book appointments themselves. The manual input is pretty straightforward. You select the customer, the service, the date, and the time. But where Housecall Pro really shines is in its automated scheduling features. Let's say you offer recurring services, like lawn care or pool maintenance. Housecall Pro allows you to set up recurring jobs, saving you a ton of time. You can also set up appointment reminders, both for you and your customers. No more missed appointments. But what about those last-minute emergencies? Don't worry, Housecall Pro has you covered. You can easily add same-day or next-day appointments, and the software will automatically adjust your schedule to accommodate the new job. One of the coolest features of Housecall Pro is its ability to optimize your schedule. The software analyzes your technician's availability, travel time, and job duration to create the most efficient schedule possible. This means less downtime and more time on the job. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is Housecall Pro worth the investment? Well, that depends on your business. If you're a one-person operation, you might be able to get by with a simple spreadsheet. But if you have multiple technicians, a growing customer base, or if you want to streamline your operations, Housecall Pro could be a game changer. Of course, no software is perfect. There are some limitations. For example, the mobile app could be more user-friendly, and there are some features that would be nice to have, like the ability to integrate with payment processors. So, is Housecall Pro the ultimate scheduling solution? It's a powerful tool that can significantly improve your business efficiency. But like any software, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and decide if it's the right fit for your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy scheduling.